Hello everyone and welcome to Belinder TV. Today I'm going to be making this hairstyle right here. Yes, this one. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first things first, I'm going to section out my hair from ear to ear. I'm just going to section a small part from ear to ear at the front of my hair. That's what I'm going to use for the weaving. Yes, just from ear to ear like this. So this front section I'm going to use for the weaving, and then the back we're going to put it in a bantu knot. So I'm using this olive oil and coil activator. I don't know what the full name, and I'm going to be mixing it with mousse. So I'm just going to put little of these two products on my hair, and then I'm going to put it in a bantu knot. I'll slow it down a little so you guys see how it's done. Like if you don't know how to do a bantu knot, I'll slow it down here so you see how it's done. You just wrap the hair around itself and start twisting it around itself until you run out of hair. So I'm going to do this for the rest of my hair, and then I'll let it air dry because I'm trying to avoid heat this season. So I'm going to let it air dry, and that's how it is. I'm going to put some beads at the front here. As you can see, I've done some little weaves at the front. So this is what the result is, guys. I let it air dry till the next day, then I took it down, and I've had this hair on for hours now, and the coil are still like this, bouncing like this, and I appreciate the result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click on that subscribe button and like and share this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.